All right, hit it, guys.
Looks good on you.
Candy sky, the pounding of my heart, it beats so strong, yeah. It's in your eyes, ooh, what can I say, honey? They turn me on. I don't care where we go, I don't care what you do. I don't care, pretty baby, take me with you. Bryant, whatever you do, may God be with you. Don't you let nobody fool you. Just keep on keeping your cool. Wherever you go, remember to let your love flow. You know, when the competition get tacky, Bryant, brother, you keep on wearing your khakis. Working part-time in a 5 and dime. My boss was Mr. McGee. Told me several times that he didn't like my time, 'cause I was a bit too leisurely. Seeming I was busy doing something close to nothing but different than the day before. That's when I saw her. Ooh, I saw her. She walked in through the outdoor. Come on. Raspberry beret. Kind you find in second-hand store. Raspberry beret. If it was warm, she wouldn't wear much more. Raspberry beret. I think I love you, Bryant. Well.